Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravey's Brewery with me, Gravey. And then guys, bit of a quick one. As you can see, here is my latest offering. Finally getting around to reviewing and showing you the Braggot that I made about 3-4 months ago now. Anyway, if you want to see that video, if you missed it, link is down there in the description. Sorry about that. But yes, this is finally the beer that I'm talking about, that I was talking about in that previous video, excuse me. Anyway, let me show you the bottle. There's the particulars. A hefty 9.4% on the ABV. 49 IBUs, bottled, well, 2 months today actually, the 17th of August, today being the 17th of October. Anyway, I'll show you the beer. I'll actually lift it up to the light for you so you can see it better. Well, as you can see, no head to speak of. There was just a tiny head when I poured it, but it dissipated very quickly. Colour, it's actually lighter on camera than what the beer itself is, but that is a nice dark gold, almost, well, light brownish in colour. Carbonation, I think you can see that there is just a tiny hint of, tiny hint. Nice stream of bubbles making their way up the glass, despite that 9.4%. But as I said, as a result of that, no head to speak of. And all that's left, finally, is a quick taste test. Cheers. Oh, on the taste, there is that honey. It's quite powerful, punchy. If you recall, and again, by looking down in the description, you will see the ingredients I used to brew this beer, one of which was a mead yeast, which gave this yeast a bit of a, this beer, a bit of a sulphury flavour. And it is actually still there a little bit in the background. That might actually be the flavours of the honey has been made a little bit more intense. I don't know. But it's not actually a bad beer. It's not harsh, it's not bitter at all. Again, just that lingering honey-like flavour. But yeah, all in all, not a bad beer. Alright guys, well, that's all I've got for you. So, as always, if you have any general comments, questions, queries about the drink, drop them down in the comments. We'll get some discussion going. And if you've brewed a Braggot before, if you think I could do anything better, or if you have any hints, tips or tricks that I could use to improve mine a little better, do me a favour guys, drop your thoughts down in the description. We'll talk. And as always guys, if you've liked this video, even though you've only been looking at this for, well, nigh on 4 minutes, if you've liked this video guys, give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more, or if you want to watch my back catalogue of videos, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, let's get some discussion going. Alright guys, well that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time from Gravey's Brewery, this has been Gravey, and I'll see you later. Cheers.